Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like GBP, USD, Gold USD, GBP, JPY and others, you can also check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So before I proceed with the chart, I would like to take you to the forex sentiment meter. This is our beloved Euro USD, and sadly only 13% retail traders are on the sell side, whereas 86% are on the buy side. My dear friend, never forget this sentiment meter shows us the position of the retail traders, and see where they have taken short position 1.1035 and where they have taken long position. So 86% those who have taken long position was at 1.1161, 1.1161. See, almost here they have taken buy position, and right now, as we all know, market crashed because of the ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine. My dear friend, never forget that whenever there is a battle between fundamentals and technicals, fundamentals always win. So right now there is a pressure, selling pressure on Euro USD, and until and unless we see some kind of solution, some kind of good information on the on regarding the war, there will not be hardly any recovery on the chart of Euro USD. So my dear friend, if you also have a buy position on Euro USD, and if the same selling pressure continues next week, then please come out of the buy position, respect your hard-earned money, protect your capital. Okay, it's very essential for a trader to accept the loss when the analysis goes wrong. Okay, nobody has 100% accuracy. Even I do not have 100% accuracy. Nobody has. So if someone claims that he's 100% accurate, it's a scam. Okay, just like this. I found that recently there are many Telegram channels by my name, all are scams. Okay. Anyways, if you also have a buy position and if the selling pressure continues, then please exit from your sell position, buy position as well. But yes, today I got a news that there is a temporary ceasefire by Russia, so there may be some recovery, but still we do not have any concrete information. So my dear friend, please be in touch with the news, and let's see how the market reacts on Monday. If market recovers, well and good. If the selling pressure continues, it's my request, please exit from your buy position, because there will be huge selling, and as long as the war continues, yes, Euro USD will be under pressure. Okay. Anyways, let's talk about charts. So first of all, let's look at DXY, US dollar. DXY, gold, oil are flying unstoppable. DXY right now trading at 98.50 last traded price. So if DXY witnesses some correction on Monday, then 98 will be the first level, and if if breaks the 98 level, then 97.4050 will be the next level for DXY. But this level will only work under normal circumstances. But somehow, if we get a good news that war is about to end, because see, there is a second round of dialogue between Russia and Ukraine. Okay, so if something good comes out, okay, then obviously there will be good selling on dollar, and there will be recovery on Euro USD. But as long as the dollar is in uptrend, okay, my dear friend, it's unstoppable. Next level for DXY will be 100, then 104. Okay, now let's look at Euro USD. So first of all, after the market opening, observe the market and see how the market is doing, how the market is reacting. If you see market going up, if you see some kind of recovery on the chart of Euro USD, then well and good. Okay, but if you are planning to take a buy position on Euro USD, then it's totally your risk. I will not comment on that. Okay, but I think that following the trend is the best option, because whether you trade on forex market, stock market, doesn't matter. Market says that only follow one thing, that is follow the trend. Trend is your friend. So on the chart of Euro USD, I think that taking a sell position is the best option here. So if market goes up, okay, especially for beginners and new traders, listen to me carefully. So after the market opening, if you see some kind of recovery also on Euro USD, then try to look for any news. If there is any good news, then you can go for a buy. If there is no news, do not buy. That will be very risky because that can be a bull trap. If market goes up, then watch the market, observe the market around 1.100 level, around this level. Watch the market and see. If you see that market is struggling near this level, then there is a possibility that market will reverse from here. If market reverses from 1.1000 level, you can take a sell position. Again, I'm saying if we see some kind of recovery on Monday without any news, then try to take a sell position around this level if market reverses. How will you get the confirmation? You'll get the confirmation in the form of a shooting star. You'll get a confirmation in the form of a bearish pin bar or something like that. If you see any good price rejection from above, it gives you the confirmation that you're good for a sell. On the other hand, if market goes down, if the selling pressure on Euro USD continues, then obviously you should be looking for a sell position only. Where you should be taking a looking for a sell position? For that, we need to go to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart of Euro USD, and if market, yes, listen to me carefully, if market breaks the level of 1.0888 level, let me write it down. 1.0888 level. If market breaks this level, take a sell position and your level will be 0.0800. This will be your target. Again, I'm saying if market tries to recover on Monday after the market opening, try to look for any news. If there is any good news regarding the war, then you can take a buy position. That's your call. Okay, but otherwise, if market tries to recover without any news, there is a possibility that market will be facing selling pressure around 1.100 level. If market reverses from there, take a sell position. But on the other hand, if the same selling pressure continues on the market, अगर सेम सेलिंग प्रेशर दिखता है यूरो यूएसडी पे, ठीक है, तो देखिए यहाँ पे क्या होता है 1.088 के पास. If you see that market is crossing 1.0888 level with selling pressure, take a sell position again for a target of 1.0800. That's it. Okay, if you have failed to understand, please write down in the comment section. I will reply, or please watch the video again. Okay, you'll get the understanding. Okay, so whatever you do, please follow strict risk management, proper risk management, because see, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. And please use proper stop loss. Use stop loss. It's my request. Okay, without stop loss, if you're trading, it's like suicide. Don't make the mistake, please. Bye bye, take care. And yes, 3 big surprises coming soon regarding learning and earning. Bye bye.